The TTC has announced that it's replacing older streetcars from the 1970s and 80s, and the new cars will be hitting the tracks in 2014.
The TTC has ordered 204 new streetcars, as you can see behind me. The streetcars are being built by Bombardier in Thunder Bay, Ontario, and special thanks to Bombardier for all the work that they've put into making these streetcars accessible, low-floor vehicles that will serve our disabled community, and we're very grateful for all the work that they've done. The province of Ontario is contributing $416.3 million towards this purchase. The federal government is contributing $108 million through its gas tax fund. The City of Toronto and the TTC are contributing $662 million.
So we've come a long way on the TTC. We've gone from this vintage look from 1923. Here we are in 2014, and the TTC's new look.
You don't really drive it because they're just on a track, right? Like they just go straight.
She's officially resigned as a councillor now.
Exactly. This is my job in 2014.
So to get started, you hit the button. Door opens on demand. You come in, swipe your Presto card, have a seat, and your journey begins. For the Toronto Sun, I'm Kevin Connor.